This FIREFOTO 4K dual lens camcorder captures detailed ultra-high-definition video and very high-resolution still photos, making it well-suited for travel, family events, and casual filmmaking. The dual lens design can record the person on stage and the audience at the same time, which is especially useful for performances, presentations, and live shows. Its infrared night vision, rotating touchscreen, and included high-capacity memory card make it practical for shooting in low light and from flexible angles right out of the box. Built-in Wi-Fi, webcam support, and HDMI output let you stream, video chat, and easily play back footage on a television or computer without extra adapters. A foldable handheld stabilizer and lens hood help reduce shake and stray light, so handheld shots look smoother and more professional in challenging conditions. The bundled external microphone, wireless remote control, and 2 rechargeable batteries round out a kit that is convenient for vlogging, YouTube content, and long recording sessions.